Welcome to the English class. I am Sushila Singh and today we are going to start the new poem God Save the Beetle by Ruskin Bond. In this poem there is a beetle who is again and again coming inside the poet's room and falling into the goldfish bowl. Here the poet is worried. He is praying to God, God please give this beetle some knowledge about direction so that he may save himself from falling down into the goldfish bowl. He is again telling that 2 times he has saved the beetle from falling into the bowl and he has returned it back into the garden. But the beetle came back again into the room and moved around the room until it again fell into the goldfish bowl and moved round and was tired. Now the whole day was passed in this activity. Now it was night and the poet has to sleep. So he is requesting God that God, now it's your turn. You will have to look after the beetle and you will have to save it from drowning into the goldfish bowl. Moreover, this beetle is also making the goldfish nervous as it's again and again coming into the bowl. So children, I think here you have understood the poem. Now I will show you the poem and I will read it for you. God save the beetle. Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle who keeps blundering through the open window. Sense of direction means some knowledge of direction. Keeps blundering through means coming or entering through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. Twice I have kept him from drowning. Twice means 2 times. Drowning means falling into the water. So he has saved the beetle 2 times from falling into the water and returned him to the garden. But he keeps coming back, zooming and diving about the room until plop. Children, plop means it's a sound which comes when beetle falls into the water. Now let's see the second stanza. He is in the goldfish bowl again, swimming round and looking very tired. In 5 minutes time, I must go to bed. And if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? Now beta, here poet is requesting God that in 5 minutes he has to go to sleep. And now God will have to look after the beetle. Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. I hope you have understood the poem very well. And now children, that's all. And thank you for watching the video.